Day 19 of bullying myself into actually doing LeetCode. This one's not too tricky. Majority element. I'm doing this one since it's a pretty good one to reinforce a frequency map. So the more you see something, the more something occurs. Increment it inside of a map. You get constant time operations that way. As far as retrieve, well, operations of course includes retrieval. So the question: given an array nums of size n, return the majority element. The majority element is element that appears more than half, so n divided by 2 times. You may assume that the majority element always exists within the array. So first we need our frequency map. Then we need a result, which is actually going to track the value which shows up most frequently. And then we need a max count. So we're going to set those both to 0. Now we're going to iterate through. So for n in nums, what we actually want to do is take our count, n. So this is what we're saving as a key. And we are going to increment it. So that's going to be a commonly seen pattern. I'm sure you've seen it. I've now come to see it quite frequently. Can take that. We're going to take count.get and so of course we're looking for that key. Should return the value, add 1 to that. That'll be our count running, and then we'll save that to the key. Otherwise return 0. So as per normal dict operation. Result. So this is the actual count that with the value we're seeing. So if it's the most frequently occurring, you want to track that result. So we're going to say n if, I'm going to use a ternary here, if our count n is greater than our max count. Else, choose the result, which will be 0, base value, whatnot. And of course, we got to calculate our max count, which will just be max of our max count, and then our count. But we want the value being tracked, because of course this is a frequency map, so it's tracking occurrences, and then we just want to return the result. Now, I don't know if I've seen this somewhere, or I just remember it from somewhere, but it seems pretty straightforward. It's not too bad. Frequency maps definitely worth looking at, definitely worth, well, for me anyway, I'm sure the majority of people already know them, but it's worth me looking at, making sure I internalize that pattern. But now it's a quick one. I think we're on day 19 now, but I mean, who knows? I'm off to the gym. Peace.